I'm going to read a book called Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Do you think we're going to push it? I don't know. Let's see. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Flip to there. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Oh, now I'm yellow and polka dotted. Push it twice. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Oop, dropping the button. Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push it again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end.